Alright, we're here with a Xbox 360 motherboard. Don't worry, this is from a broken one, so it's fine, you know. So over there we got the old CPU. I could get a bit closer, but I don't want to knock the camera against, and I tried to clean it off the best I could, but you know, it's fine. Here we go, is the GPU, and the RAM, I think it's 512 megabytes in those chips right there. Some capacitors, fucking USB. This is for the little light switch or power button. You plug that shit in there. One moment. There we go. Got that out of there. Memory card slots, which kinda useless now. It's like $12 for one of those old memory cards, and it's half a gig. So you might as well just get a fucking USB stick if you plan on using one. Even though it's not recommended to use the white ones, as seen here, you know. You can't really tell it's red ringed, but this poor bastard is red ringed. So, yeah. That's the old hard drive plug-in right there. The AV plug. No HDMI on this one. And then another USB and Ethernet. So here's the heatsink. This is the CPU heatsink. Sort of plops down right there. It uses the X clamps, which go on the bottom. I'm not going to put them on here because it's kind of a pain in the ass. Because I've opened up one of these before. Because I have a working one. Obviously not this one. This one's broken. And then GPU heatsink. Some of these have like a really piss poor GPU heatsink. It's literally just no heat pipe. It's just one of these fucking slabs. And thank God I wasn't around to deal with those fucking things. I'd hate to... Poor bastards who had to open these things all the time. But yeah, so that's the heatsink layout right there. And there's like a weird funnel. I don't have it. It's over on the floor. But basically, if you've ever opened up like one of those Dell Optiplex sort of deals, where the fans go right here. These fans are absolutely fucking disgusting, by the way. I tried cleaning them out, but I honestly don't care that much because it doesn't work. But it goes in there. You put on like a little siphon, and you know, fucking blows in. So yeah, that's what that does. Yeah, here's the little eject button. It connects to the case, and then it lets you push the eject button, which is like right here, I believe. It's that switch right there. And that's the wireless or the IR sensor thing. But yeah, that's the button right there. So it's not even like, it's just like a thing. The button's not up here. I don't know, your life's a lie or something. Here's the disk drive. What is the little plastic thing that goes on the outside? Xbox 360. So there's a SATA and the proprietary power connector, so you can't just plop these in a PC or whatever. Can we focus in on that? Yeah, there you go. Manufactured August 2007. So this one's pretty old. It's like going on like 13 years old at this point. The other one I have is from 2008. I believe it's a Falcon revision. I'm not sure exactly. I did a bit of looking into on that. But yeah, this is like an overview of the 360 motherboard, I guess. I don't know. I was kind of bored, so I was like, yeah, just 360 motherboard. That thermal paste is disgusting, but it doesn't matter. This thing doesn't work, and it's honestly not worth fixing. I have the hard drive actually. Here's a hard drive. It's empty because I'm planning on getting a 500 gig to slap in there. Ooh, reflection. But yeah, you can like hack old Western Digital drives to work on these things. So, gonna do that eventually, maybe a video, who knows. But yeah, that'll be a thing. Right now I'm rocking a 60 gig on my working one. But yeah, I'll just hit you guys with another close-up of the CPU, if it would focus. It doesn't really focus, but... And the zoom is hella slow. There's the GPU. There's the VRAM. Or just normal RAM, I guess. 512 megabytes, man. It's a miracle. They could run like GTA 5 on this thing. Insane. But yeah, that's what the Xbox 360 looks like. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Gug.